So here's how to change name on Monopoly Go. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to sign into your Monopoly Go account. After signing into your account, now here you have to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now here you have to click on the username available already. After that, here you have to click on the pencil icon at the username. Then you have to enter your username or your name here. After entering your name, click on the submit option. On Monopoly Go, you can only change your name thrice. Once you have reached the limit to change your name, after that you will not be able to change your name. After changing name, click on the save option. So that's how to change name on Monopoly Go.